Hi, my name is Enes Inca from Huawei Developers, and welcome to the Huawei tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to explain what is Huawei ML-Kit Facial and Body, and how to integrate it. ML-Kit provides various APIs to help you quickly build face-body detection apps. First API is for face detection. You can detect 2D and 3D facial features using face detection. In addition, the 2D face detection feature can detect features of your user's face, such as facial expression, age, gender. Second API is for skeleton detection. This service detects and locates key points of the human body, such as the top of the head, neck, shoulders, elbows, wrists, hips, knees, and ankles. Third API is for Luminous Detection. This service is widely used in scenarios such as identity verification and mobile phone unlocking. Fourth API is for hand gesture recognition. This service provides two capabilities. First capability, hand keypoint detection, is widely used in daily life. For example, after integrating this capability, users can convert the detected hand keypoints into 2D model and synchronize the model to the character model to produce a vivid 2D animation. Second capability is hand gesture recognition. And last but not least, face verification. This service is widely used in many fields of daily life. For example, this service can compare faces in the mobile gallery and classify them according to their similarity. Before we start anything, we need to enable ML-Kit. In order to enable ML-Kit, first sign into App Gallery Connect and click My Projects. Then click your project and select your app from the menu. Click Manage APIs tab and toggle on the switch for ML-Kit service. Finally, you can enable ML-Kit service in App Gallery Connect. You can get more detailed information on these steps in the previous topics or by checking our official documentation. ML-Kit offers two SDK integration modes for face body recognition service. You can select either one based on your needs. First mode is base SDK integration. Second mode is full SDK integration. Metadata dependency declaration must be added to Android manifest for automatic updating of ML models. Also, you need to add authorization of camera to Android manifest.xml. Let's move on to ML-Kit facial body integration. Firstly, create a face analyzer. You can create and customize the analyzer using the ML Face Analyzer setting class. Secondly, create the Face Analyzer Transducer class for the processing recognition results. Set the detection result processor to bind the analyzer to the result processor. Then, create Lens Engine and call Start Lens Engine method. Call the Start Lens Engine method to perform face detection. After the detection is complete, stop the analyzer to release detection resources in the onDestroy method. Let's move on to ML-Kit skeleton detection. Firstly, create a skeleton analyzer. You can create and customize the analyzer using the ML Skeleton Analyzer setting class. You can use two detection modes. First mode is ML Skeleton Analyzer setting type normal. Detects skeleton points for normal postures. Second mode is ML Skeleton Analyzer setting type yoga. Detects skeleton points for yoga postures. Then, create the Skeleton Analyzer Transducer class for processing recognition results. You can process the recognition result as required. For example, calculate the similarity in this method, so as to perform an operation such as taking a photo after a specific posture is detected. Convert the result encapsulated using sparse array to an array list for similarity calculation. After that, set the detection result processor to bind the analyzer to the result processor, and create an instance of the Lens Engine class provided by the Huawei Mobile Services Core ML SDK to capture dynamic camera streams and pass the streams to the analyzer. Call the run method to start the camera and read camera streams for detection. After the detection is complete, stop the analyzer to release detection resource. In this section, we will learn how to use Luminous Detection. You need to create an ML Luminous Detect view and load it to the activity layout. Firstly, bind the camera preview screen to the remote view and set the Luminous Detection area. Then set whether to perform mask detection and set the result callback. Finally, load the ML Luminous Detect view to the activity. Then set a lifecycle listener for the ML Luminous Detect view. Now, I would like to explain Hand Keypoint Detection API. Create a hand keypoint analyzer and set the maximum number of hand regions that can be detected in an image. There is 3 scene types as constants, defined in ML Hand Keypoint Analyzer setting class used in the project. 1. Type all indicates that all results are returned. Type keypoint only indicates that only hand keypoint information is returned. 3. Type rect only indicates that only palm information is returned. Then, create the hand keypoint transactor class for processing detection results. After that, set the detection result processor to bind the analyzer to the result processor, and create an instance of the lens engine class. Call the run method to start the camera stream. Stop the analyzer to release detection resource. So, that's it on hand keypoint detection. Now, moving on to hand gesture recognition. Create a hand gesture recognition analyzer. Create the hand analyzer transactor and set the detection result processor to bind the analyzer to the result processor. Create an instance of the lens engine. It's recommended that the camera display size be set to a value ranging from 320 to 320 pixel to 1920 to 1920 pixel. Call the run method to start the stream. After the detection is complete, stop the analyzer. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.